one of the reasons I think we've gotten here, and as far as how poor human health is in America, is because so many of these things we're talking about are sort of out of sight, out of mind, right? So you cannot see your gut microbiome. It's microscopic, yet it plays a role in everything throughout the day. You cannot see the cells and how they're energized and the health of the cell when it has this infrared light, this red light. So maybe talk about just what happens that we can't see. How does this impact cellular health?
There's a couple mechanisms of actions, what's going on at the biochemical level. So these long wavelengths of light, they're able to penetrate deeper into the body. They act on the mitochondria, hence the name of the company, Mito, red light, short for mitochondria. Essentially, there's a chromophore, which is just a fancy word for a light-absorbing molecule, that's inside the mitochondria called cytochrome C oxidase. So what we think happens, and this is still technically a theory, but this is consensus at the moment, is that the wavelengths of light go into the mitochondria. When they are absorbed by cytochrome C oxidase that's bound with nitric oxide, it literally vibrates them apart. So now you have free-floating cytochrome C oxidase that can shake hands with oxygen, which is needed to make ATP. It's the final step of ATP production or cellular energy production. And we observe this like two ways. The reason why it's kind of the consensus is that when they study this, they observe higher ATP and they also observe higher nitric oxide. So this is why it's believed that the light goes in, vibrates nitric oxide and cytochrome C apart. More cytochrome C is available to bind with oxygen to make energy. So why does that matter? Well, to the extent the mitochondria in your cells are producing more energy for your cells, then your cells function better.